That is really cool.
Say hi, Amanda. Amanda.
Oh, Birdie. Say hi, Birdie. Hi.
Say hi, Hamsi.
Hi.
Uh-oh.
This bird is really impressive.
It's very pretty. But these are the ones that I saw flying around Guildford.
Do you think they captured one of those and put it in here?
I'm not sure, maybe.
He knows that he's being.
Yeah, he knows, doesn't he? He knows something's going on.
He's doing some kind of catwalk. Look.
Right, back and forth, back and forth.
What is he doing?
Good exercise.
Oh
Huh?
my god.
Well, I'm sure part
You
of the
work
day
it.
he's completely alone, and then the other
You
part
work it.
has company. You're like upside down.
Yeah.
That's so funny.
Look, Lillian. Birdie.
Lillian, did you just spit up your carrot sauce?
Oh god.
She totally did.
Purple carrot.
Is this too exciting?
I know. It's a lot of fun.
Hamsi, get your face really close.
No. He's gonna bite my nose off. Oh my god, it's upside down. Forget Ghost Protocol. You can just watch this. This is like Mission Impossible. Impossible.
Did you watch Ghost Protocol? I forgot.
Yes.
Did you think it was awesome?
I think it is.
Or whatever?
Tom Cruise is like going up a building and look at this guy. He does it effortlessly.
I know. It's like he was built for this game.
Yeah.
Lily, what do you think?
2 thumbs up.
Pretty neat. First time. This is the closest you've ever been to a bird.
That's definitely
Did you see
true.
the blue jay upstairs?
Yeah, I think I did.
Hi. What do you think?
This bird likes really.
What do you think?
Oh, I didn't see this frog over here.
Yeah. Lillian. Hi. Do you like the birdie? Oh my god.
Bird extreme close up.
It puffs up.
What about you? Can you do that?
No,
No.
I can't do that.
You do it and then say, no, I can't.
I can do this. Hey, are you having fun? Are you having fun? Softy? Hey, Softy? Bird. Is it yummy? Is the bird yummy? Here. Here. He's so cute.
What are you up to?
You're so cute.
She's still watching you. So are we.
You're so cute.
Whoa, where are you going?
Oh my god, this thing is...
What, you scared, Hamsi?
Yeah. Totally.
I wonder why they don't have like a name posted up or something. I wonder if it can talk.
Can
Yeah,
you
I
talk?
wonder too.